This is it, fellas. Rocket. Nobody was hurt, though. Not majorly, I don't think. Yep, I ran over there. Tried to save his life. How you doing today, sir? Look, hard-working, Gainesville, what is it called? City worker, dude? Hard-working city man right here. Yep, look, doing the city good deed, cleaning up our messes. Nah, I'm just kidding, he's probably lazy. Got shirts hanging out the window. Yeah, it was connected to them. There looks like some steel I can get right there. I don't know. Alright, well, see y'all later. Over and out.